was just a regular day, and I thought I'd try and get another distance record. I had a feeling it would go beyond 200 meters. So I set out, and here's what happened. All was going well at this point, so I thought, well, I'll make the flight longer by going at a diagonal. Now that was a mistake, because when I did that, it led me behind a large tree that I actually could not see. At this point, it did not seem to respond, and I was adjusting the controls, but nothing happened. Of course, the screen just went black, and that was the end of it. When I eventually retrieved the SD card from the drone that I found eventually, it shows you that I just carefully picked a point and landed safely. You know, it didn't crash into anything, it just landed. I don't understand why it did not return home though, because I did press the return home button. But as you can see here, no problem, it just landed.